Hey guys, I'm Simon from CodeSphere, and today I wanted to show you how you can use applications that were not initially designed to be served from paths and use those with our path-based routing feature. Let's take a look. So I have a root workspace already set up, and I'm going to copy the same workspace basically, and then I'm going to show you how you can change the content to be served from a different path. Let's create this workspace. It's just a basic express.js application from our Express landing page template. Let's create this and wait for it to be ready. Run the prepare stage and then run the run stage. And now the application is currently being served from the root path of this domain. Now we want to change that. Let's stop the server first. And then we have this public directory. We're going to rename this into blog. All right, once that's done, we're going to create a new empty directory called public again. And then we're going to move this blog directory into the new public directory. You can all do that from the UI, just a few clicks. And now we have a nested public/blog directory. If we now start our server again and then open the deployment, we should see that it's not working at the root path, but instead, if we add /blog to our routing, it works. And this now means our workspace is ready to be set up with path-based routing. Let's go into domains. We have the root server already set up. Now we have the blog here. Let me quickly delete my previous thing. All right, blog, and then we connect that to our new workspace and hit the save button. And now if we go back into the table and navigate to that path-based routing, we should see our application is there.